What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Yann Bibanga. You know I'm bored again, so I'm finna teach y'all how to make McDonald's chicken. The chicken sandwich and the chicken nuggets. Alright, first you're gonna need chicken breast. I just have this already. Gonna need some eggs. What else? Onion powder, salt, black peppers, peppers, whatever. African American peppers if you want to be politically correct. And flour. You're gonna need flour. What else? Ah, crap, I don't need that much. Well, it's whatever. Alright, also, you're gonna need buns, of course, salad, lettuce, romaine, mayonnaise, all that. Alright. Let's go. Oh, and also you're gonna need a blender. You're gonna, well, you'll see in a second. All right. I'm gonna just use 2 eggs. Hopefully that'll be enough. So I already washed my hands, but make sure you wash your hands, you nasties. Right. Onion powder. Ah. I'm doing this the wrong side. Alright, here we go. Black peppers. A little bit of salt. Just gonna take this entire chicken, just put it in the blender. Also, obviously you're gonna be frying. Well, not obviously, but you're gonna be frying them in like a pot. Yeah, so you're gonna need oil as well. If you don't already have oil in your house. Alright. It's not even plugged in. Needs to be a little more mixed up than that. I feel like I'm making a martini. Next, you're gonna take the meat, the chicken, whatever. Just, you know, try to make it look like a patty, whatever shape you want. You can make a square if you're bored. I'm gonna just do a regular patty, circle. Take a big chunk, cause I'm making the patty first, then the nuggets later. That's all the same. It's all the fucking same. Pretty wild. Y'all don't know who that is. Okay. Put it with the eggs. That's why you want it in little pieces, so the egg batter gets inside inside the patty as well, not just on the outside. Okay. Okay, I think that's decent. Oh, you can't even see it. Yeah. lower this guy so you can see what I'm doing a little. Okay. Alright, it's not gonna be perfect. I'm not a chef. But, alright, so I got a bowl of flour right here. Just put it in there. Make sure it's all mixed. You don't want to see any chicken, skin, whatever. Alright. Now it should be good to go. I got the pot already on, so just gonna plop it in there. I shouldn't be cooking oil without a shirt on. It just hit me, but it's whatever. I'm about that life. That wasn't too bad. I'm over here complaining about nothing. So while that's going, we can get started on the nuggets, which is just basically the same concept. Just make it smaller. So I'm gonna bake the nuggets. I feel like being a little healthy. A little. I'm gonna do it. Take a little butter. Rub it on the buns. And then heat them up, not too long. Gotta make sure it's frying though, because it's gonna be on the skillet for just like less than a minute. I mean, far from perfect, but I'm trying. So here's the finished product, but I'm like, honestly, it looks more like Chick-fil-A. So yeah, oh well, I tried my best.